Valentino. Tino.
What?
Come here. Come here. Come here. Did you notice that you have another present under the tree? You have another present? Yeah. Where? Do you see him? Do you notice it? Look. Say hi, Grandpa. I'm recording you.
Thank you for the
Say hi.
Rachel and Eddie.
Say hi.
Bye-bye.
Poo-poo hi.
Yeah.
Remember what you told us this morning that you're going to tell Santa what you want for Christmas? Poo-poo.
Huh?
Come here.
I want poo-poo.
Come here.
I want poo-poo.
Okay. Come here.
Say why. Say why, Mama.
So, banana.